I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Prius keyless remote. Before we begin, please gather all keyless remotes you wish to program, including any that currently work. This procedure is generally for second-generation Prius models. Make sure your driver's door is open and unlocked, with all other doors securely closed, to prepare your vehicle for the process. Now, let's get your Prius into programming mode. First, insert your key into the ignition slot and then remove it, doing this 2 times. Next, close and open the driver's door 2 times. You'll then repeat the key insertion and removal 2 more times, followed by closing and opening the driver's door another 2 times. This sequence helps the car recognize you're initiating a new remote setup. To fully activate programming mode, insert the key into the ignition slot and close the driver's door. Now, without pressing the brake pedal, press the power button to turn the ignition on and then off, repeating this 2 times. Finally, remove the key from the ignition. Your vehicle's door lock should cycle 2 times, indicating that it has successfully entered the remote programming mode. With the car in programming mode, take your new remote. Within 40 seconds, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for about 1.5 seconds, then release. Immediately after, press only the lock button once. The door locks will cycle 1 time for successful programming. If they cycle twice, it indicates a failure. Open the driver's door to exit, then test all your remotes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.